In the last video, I talked about how to create a YouTube channel, and the banner image becomes an issue. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make banners easily and free, and I will offer you a super weapon, so stick around. The easy and free way is using Canva. Its free plan is good enough, so feel free to register it and use it. Under its social media icon, we can find a YouTube banner. That's exactly what we want. On the left sidebar, there are lots of templates ready to be chosen. Pick someone you like and match to your topic. Like this one. It's a T of game broadcaster, I think. My topic is making money online, so I'd like to choose maybe this one. But from what I can tell with my naked eyes, there must be something wrong with this picture. Do you still remember my poor cat? If you don't, let's try to upload this image. You see, it ignores the safe area. And in fact, not all pictures can be easily seeing the problem. Like this one, how can you tell? Faced with the dilemma, it's time for me to play my role. Check it out, I've made a ruler for you. Let's try if it works. Upload it. Then drop the bomb. Yes, it works great. I will upload this excellent tool. If you need it, you can find the download link in the description. Now we can choose templates freely. Maybe this one. The main body is too big for this image, so we can modify it. Here, I have something to share with you. Many of Canva's operations are based on drag and drop. For instance, your original profile image is squared, but you need it in a round shape. You just need to drag and drop. Pretty handy. What do you think of it? If you are using Canva for the first time, hold down the Shift key. You can select multiple objects. Move the objects vertically or horizontally. Hold the Alt key and drag a thing. You can duplicate it. Canva uses the same combination of keys as Photoshop. Now we know how to use Canva. Let's try to modify the template. Okay, we are somewhat satisfied with the results, and the size is okay. Let's click the share button, download it, then upload it. See, it works well. Now we have uploaded the banner image. What about the profile image and watermark? I will type YouTube profile in the search bar. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Pick someone you like. Upload your profile image. Drag and drop. Very neat. So, download. Super easy. Then let's try YouTube watermark. It shows no results. So, does that mean we can't utilize Canva to make a watermark image? No, there must be a way. If we want a watermark like this, it's square, and the profile image is fair too. So pick a profile image template. Delete anything that you don't want. Change its background color. Put text on it. Then find the logo. Basically, I like to find images from Pixels and Pixabay. Originally, you can see them show up here. You need to click the three dots button, find them from Discover Content. Click on its logo. The logo will load onto the sidebar. My recipe is to find the conventional images on Pixels and the vector graphics and the illustrations from Pixabay. I have made a video talking about this topic. You can click the info card above to watch it. So, the YouTube logo is kind of a vector, so I searched on Pixabay. It's awkward that I couldn't find what I wanted. This logo is not fit my needs. So I search on its website. And yes, it shows more results on its website. So that's it. Or you can use your logo tweak instead of it. You are in charge now. Alright, all the relevant image issue has been resolved. You are good to go, my friend. If you have any questions about the YouTube banner or Canva, leave a comment. In the following video, I'll talk about how to make a beautiful YouTube banner screen. See you there.